Dave at USA Performance Parts. We're here to show you the new Dart 10-degree LSX head. This is a true race head. It has a 2-300 intake valve, 1-600 exhaust, a 368cc CNC-ported runner. These things will flow almost 500 CFM. This is an excellent head for big cubic inch LS, big boost, turbocharge and supercharge. Comes complete with the CNC-ported intake ports, full CNC-ported exhaust ports. Comes with the extra for the 6-bolt pattern LS heads and the new LS blocks that have the extra bolt holes in it. This will handle big boost and big nitrous charges also. Uses a complete Jessel one-piece rocker stand in it and Jessel rockers that are available from USA Performance in either aluminum or steel. We carry the complete top end kit for this engine, including the new box ram manifold for it. As you can see, this is a very efficient manifold with the radiuses shaped correctly and the correct taper in the runners. These will make big horsepower. They have these for 9400, 9240 standard decks, 9450 decks, and their 9750 deck blocks. So for any kind of cubic inch, even the great big motors, this manifold will work. This version comes with a single 4500 Dominator top. It is available with a EFI top for it and a blank that you can put 2 4500 carburetors on it if you want carburetors. Again, the whole package with the assembled heads is assembled with the titanium valves. We can put Inconel valves in the real high exhaust temperature turbo applications. Comes with the Jessel complete rocker system, assembled heads, manifold, all the head bolts, head studs, manifold bolts, multi-layer head gaskets. And in most cases, we use a thicker head gasket on it to help the boost problems. Comes with the intake gaskets, everything you need to bolt these on your big cubic inch LS motor or turbo motor. These are available today at USA Performance Parts, 704-397-7979, or on the web, usaperformance.com.